A third of food is wasted in developed countries. Where is it wasted? Here, in our kitchens. We buy too much food and forget to use it. There's no choice but to throw it away when it spoils. Ugh. This is where the app BasketBowl comes in. It helps you track the food you buy, reminds you before it spoils, and gives you suggestions on how to cook it. If you can't eat it all yourself, share with other students at your university. You can trade food, organize a cookout, or just give the food to someone who'll eat it. Love your food. Eat it, share it, don't waste it.